So I mentioned earlier radioactive decay. What is radioactive decay? So radioactive decay is a random and spontaneous process where unstable nucleus emits radioactive radiation until the nucleus becomes more stable. So example of radioactive elements that have unstable nuclei and decay spontaneously by emitting radioactive, so we can see as follow. For example, carbon-14. Carbon-14, radon 222, thorium-234, and also uranium-238. Okay, so the unit of radioactive, so we have two here. One is the first unit in radioactive, CI, was curie. Yeah? So the rate of unstable nuclei decay is measured in curie. So 1 curie is equal to 3.7 times 10 times. The SI unit is BQ, state for becquerel, 1 decay per second. So half-life in radioactive decay. So radioactive decay is the time taken for numbers of undecayed nuclei to reduce. So the graphic description of this situation, when the number of undecayed nuclei decrease with time is shown in figures. This is an example. So it will take 5 days to first half-life. So the second one is 10 days and the third half-life is 15 days. Example. So the protactinium-234 decay to uranium-234 with half-life of 5.2 hours. So half-life 80 gram, it will become 40, okay, something like that. So using calculate the mass of protactinium-234 after 20.8. 20.8 is the first half-life is 5.2. The second half-life is 10.4 hours. 15, the third one is 15.6, and the fourth is 20.8. So 80 become 40, 40 become 20, 20 become 10, 10 become 5. So the remaining mass of protactinium after 20.8 hours is 5 grams. Based on the graph, what is the half-life of P? So the original activity is 800 becquerel. Okay. So the half-life from 800 is 400. So when the activity of 400 BQ, the corresponding time is 40 as shown. So the half-life for element P is 40 seconds. Okay, so example number 3, the activity of radioactive substance Q against time is shown in table 8.1. So we can see here the half-life for 120 is not mentioned here, but using graph we can find the half-life. So based on the graph, what is the half-life? So 120, the half-life is 60 becquerel. So from there we plot the graph and then we will get 9 minutes of half-life. So thank you very much.